This morning we've got a Golf in with an aircon problem, and what's happened is it's on the pump, the clutch pulley had lost all its teeth. It's quite a common issue. So we have a new pulley here, and if you look inside, I'll use the torch to show you, you can see the teeth. Now what happens is, you can see inside this one, they're all stripped. The pumps tend to survive it every time. So the teeth on the pump are all still in excellent condition. They're designed in a way so that the clutch pulley is what goes. And it's just a case of getting a replacement pulley kit, which we got off eBay. There's the part number, THX0457. They're about 20 quid normally. And the main issue you'll have is, once they have stripped, you struggle to get the centre bolt out, because they've stripped, the pump turns. So when you're trying to turn the bolt out, it turns the pump out. Now what we did is got a pry bar underneath the edge of the clutch and pried it so that even though there's no teeth, the metal was gripping the teeth on the pump, and then we managed to struggle. It stripped the actual Torx T27. So we ended up using a pair of mole grips to get it off, but you can get that off and then you can replace the clutch pulley with the replacement repair kit, which does come with all new bolts. I would suggest to use some Loctite on all 4 of the bolts. And then that's the repair done, and will allow your pump to work without a £700 pump repair job. So you can see the new pulley's fitted. Just make sure that you thread lock the 4 bolts, and then we've obviously put some little green marking paint on there just so that we show where they're all tight and we can see if any come loose. A bit easier to monitor than trying to get a ratchet in afterwards if you think anything's loose. Obviously they're Loctited, so they should all stay tight, and that is basically how to fix your aircon when your clutch pulley has gone bad. So this Golf has 525 grams of R134A gas. So we've got the system set, 25-minute vacuum, 525 grams, off we go. So what we're doing now is just making sure the taps are open, which they are. So now we're going to recharge, after doing a 25-minute vacuum, the system on this Golf. And then what we can do is then test the aircon and make sure it's working when it's got a full charge of gas in. And hopefully that'll confirm the clutch pulley's cured the fault. So we're starting on 15 degrees and we can clearly see it starting to drop. Let's see what happens over the next minute or so. So engine has now been running for about a minute and a half, and we've pulled the temperature down to like 5.5 degrees, and the aircon is ice cold. Job done, car fixed, happy customer. If this video has helped you at all, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep producing these videos to help try and save you money and give you hints and tips. See you on the next one.